In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record video without going live in StreamYard 5 minutes. If you want the look and tools of a live stream without actually going live, StreamYard's record-only workflow is perfect. Start by logging into your StreamYard account. From your dashboard, look for the recording option. This tells StreamYard you're creating an offline project, not a broadcast, so nothing will be pushed to any connected destinations. Give your recording a clear, descriptive title. Good titles make files easier to find later and help collaborators know what they're opening. When you're ready, select Create Recording. StreamYard will spin up a studio for you just like a live show, but in private. Before you enter the studio, take a moment to check your camera and microphone. Pick the correct camera, verify your resolution if available, and select the right mic and speakers. Watch the audio meter to confirm your voice is being picked up and consider using headphones to prevent echo. Add a display name as it will appear on overlays and lower thirds. This is what viewers will see in the recording. Enter the studio and get your scene set. Arrange your layout, add branded assets like logos and backgrounds if you use them, and line up any banners or captions you plan to show. When everything looks good, click the blue record button in the top right to begin. You'll see a timer start so you know you're rolling. While recording, you can use StreamYard studio features exactly as you would live. Switch layouts, bring on remote guests, share your screen or a specific window, and toggle banners or comments. Speak clearly, leave a short pause before and after sections to make editing easier, and keep an eye on your mic level to avoid clipping. When you're finished, click the red end recording button, take a breath, and let StreamYard process the file. Don't close the tab until you see confirmation, then head back to your dashboard. Open your past recordings to find the session you just completed. From there, download the video file for editing or sharing, or grab the separate audio file if you're producing a podcast or transcript. If you plan to record regularly, keep a simple checklist for lighting, framing, and background noise, and preload your favorite overlays and backgrounds so they're ready each time you open the studio. That's it. You've captured a clean, on-demand recording with all the control of a live studio without going live. Happy recording.